How to use referral code on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use referral or invitation code on TikTok. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. Unfortunately, the option itself is unavailable in my region, so I'll just be able to guide you through. I won't be able to show you. So all you gotta do is simply first go ahead and open up TikTok app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you're on your profile, you shall get a little gold green icon here at the beside your name at the top here. Now here in my case, you can see there is no any such option, but you should be able to find it there. Once you tap on it there, you'll be headed to the next page where you shall get the empty space to enter in your referral code. So you can enter in the referral code there, or you can share your referral code through the page as well. So this is how you can easily use referral code on TikTok. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.